Okay, so for this video, we are going to do the taping for the lat dorsi muscle. The lat dorsi muscle is in this territory. Okay, so you will need 2 strips of tape for the lat dorsi muscle. Okay, so the first strip usually goes across in this way from the spine. Okay, just below the shoulder blades. Okay, so this one you will have to measure according to the person. Right, for this patient, he's quite broad, so it will take longer. For somebody else, it's usually like, but usually you measure about from the spine here to about the edge of here, so directly in this manner. Okay, so this is about 4 squares for this person. May vary according to the size of the person. Okay, and later we will stretch it. The next strip is somewhere from here. It's just a little bit of a distance from the spine, so midway. Okay, so it's about here, again to about the same point. So in this case, about 5.5 squares. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 5.5 squares. Okay, so we will have to cut one piece as 4 squares and one piece as 5.5 squares. Okay. So for depending on the size of the person, you will cut according to the size of the tapes. So the tape basically would measure from the center of the spine for this one here to here. Okay, and this one is about from here to here. So it forms like a 7 in this way. Okay, thereabouts. Okay. Because the tape is stretchable, we will actually stretch it a little bit. Okay, so we'll start off with this one first. Okay, just make sure the skin is dry before you start taping. Okay, and you can pull it from here all the way up here. Try to make sure there's no crease or wrinkles, and you can end this may be actually just nice. Yeah. Usually it ends up somewhere near in the arm here, but this is also okay. You don't want to make it too tight, because when the person tries to stretch in front, you see this might happen. So sometimes if you pull too much on this, so what happens is that you just lay it down. So you might have to get the person to stretch out his arm in front, so that when this stretches out, this peels a bit, but once you put it, you stick it down again, yeah, it will stop. So now you relax. Okay, try again. It's a little bit better, it won't peel off again. Okay, the tape will stretch over time as well, so it will not, after a while it will become more stretchable. Okay, so you can do a few times, just see how it stretch, slowly stretch the tape. A little bit better now, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So the next one is gonna go from here. Okay. So this way, and it's gonna go a little bit towards this side. Okay. So it ends close to the arm. Again. Okay. Now again, stretch out, slowly. And you see that again, he will feel it. So you just make sure that it stays down as you're stretching out. Okay, and that's it. Okay, good. And that's it. Okay.